ever wanted to learn to crack a whip before, this video is just the right one for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you the foundational crack, the first crack anybody should learn, and it's called the Cattleman's crack. Now, before you get started cracking a whip, you need to make sure you have some sort of eye protection or a cowboy hat. That actually works better than you would think. If you've ever heard of John Bailey, Lashing Steel, he's a world champion whipcracker. You can check out his YouTube channel. Anyway, he told me that it's a good idea to wear a cowboy hat because it protects, the brim protects your whole head, and he actually learned that the hard way. So wear either a cowboy hat or eye protection. So the first crack, which is the Cattleman's crack, as I said, looks like this. So the best way to learn it, or at least the way I learned it from others, is to picture a clock beside you. You have 6 o'clock down here, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock to back behind you if you're right-handed, and 9 o'clock out in front of you. So have the whip out behind you and your handle pointed straight down at 6 o'clock. And one thing I forgot to mention, make sure you always hold your whip at the end of the handle. Don't grab it up on the handle. Hold the heel knot of it in your palm like this. So anyway, have it down at 6 o'clock, and you're going to bring your hand up to about 12 o'clock, let the whip come behind you, and then bring it down back to 6 o'clock. That's the basic motion. And what we're doing is forming a loop in the whip, because that's how a whip cracks. Anytime you hear a whip crack, no matter what direction it's going, it's always forming a loop that travels out to the end of the whip, and it makes a tiny sonic loop. That's the crack you're doing. So, bug on the lens. Anyway, so bring it up to 12 o'clock, and it helps if you can cock your wrists back too. A lot of whip cracking is wrist motion. With the Cattleman's crack, you don't need a whole lot of wrist motion, but a little bit helps. So you can cock your wrist and point the handle back some. And again, make sure you wait till the whip comes behind you. It doesn't have to come all the way down, but let it at least get back to here, where it's pointing straight out. And a common mistake with beginners is they bring the whip straight down. And you can get a crack out of that sometimes, but the right way to do it is to follow the arc back down. Okay, so the motion you do is a half circle up and a half circle back down. And you can see the loop of the whip will go out and the whip lays on the ground. And make sure that when you come down, your arm or your hand comes all the way down at least to your leg, or back farther if you want. Because when I first started doing it, the mistake I made was just bringing my hand down to about here. And you can crack a whip like that, but if you've never cracked a whip before, it can be very hard to get a crack that way. So to get the best crack, bring your hand all the way down, just like that. Okay, so that's the Cattleman's crack, or it's also known as the circus crack. But that's the foundation for all the other cracks you'll learn.